Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going to replant our newly seeded spinach into this blue tray. Okay, we'll do it. If you're watching our videos first time, ensure that you subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. If you like this video, please like the video and share it with your friends too. If you don't like the video, feel free to dislike this video. Also, provide your valuable suggestions in the comment section. This is our all previous one that we harvested before. Now we are removing all the remaining parts and placing new ones. Let's start. Place it outside and we'll replant and place it back. In this food container we germinated our seeds. Now we are going to replant it. Let's do one by one. Okay. Now we are going to replant the spinach into this tray. Okay. I'm gonna take one new plant from this germinating tray and carefully placing it in between the sponge and placing into our tray. This is the way we have to replant. This sponge will support the plant, otherwise it may fall down. That's why we are placing this supporting sponge. I'm placing every spinach new plant to this tray like this. We have to fill every hole. The sponge is actually acts as a supporting case for that new baby. Otherwise, it will fall into water. I'm moving to next plant. We have to do it very carefully. Let's continue the same way with every hole that we made with PVC pipe and sponges. Replanting completed. Now we have to keep it back. Yes. Let's cover it with our net. Now we can wait for our next harvesting. See you soon. After few days, this is the growth. Now we can wait for our next harvesting. See you soon.